Let's get you the latest on the farmer protest. We can go across to our reporters. Mohammad Ghazali joins us from the Shambu border point. Arun also joining us from the Shingu border, and Saurabh Shukla from the Delhi Gurugram border. Ghazali, first to you, what is the situation there?
Englishman.
See, the situation is like this, that we have got a few protesters here. They say that by afternoon, around by 12 or 1 o'clock, we'll have more protesters in numbers here. Farmers from Patiala district, from neighboring Sangrur district, they all will be assembling here. And this is what is happening on the Haryana side. You will see heavy security deployment, and police has put all the barricades on this bridge where I am reporting from, and the adjacent river overbridge on that side. So you will see heavy police deployment on that side. People have to cross river, the Ghaggar river on which we are reporting right now. They are passing by. So this is the situation right now, that as you see Punjab and Haryana border, due to farm protests, their protest march towards Delhi, people are forced to cross the river to either enter into Haryana or Punjab. Now what we are hearing is that farmers across Punjab from every district, they are trying to get through into Haryana. But due to heavy deployment of force, we are going to see a showdown between police, Haryana police, and the farmers. They are also bringing JCB machines to remove these barricades, as some of the farm leaders have told us. That because if you see these boulders which have been put for barricading, these have been chained and again locked with the boundary wall on this overbridge. So we'll see how farmers sort of move towards Delhi or cross this barrier, because there is heavy deployment of police, and Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has clearly said that they will use force, or police will be forced to use force to thwart their movement towards Haryana.
All right, Ghazali, so real confrontation brewing there, and you showed those visuals which are quite startling to see people actually crossing the river to cross that border. Arun, what's the situation where you're at?
Well, I'm at the Shingu border. This is where you enter Haryana from while you come from Delhi, and the preparation has started here. The road has been narrowed down while a lot of barricades have been put here. There are police personnel here. Now on the other side of it, the traffic jam is there, and we were stuck there for around 15 to 20 minutes. So this is affecting the movement of vehicles coming from Delhi. If you see here, so a separate passage has been given for those who are on foot, and nobody is allowed to cross this road except vehicles. And then as far as the deployment is concerned, there's one Delhi police van here. There are personnel inside this bus. There's another bus that you see there. There are multiple Delhi police vans. So preparation here is absolutely done, where a lot of police personnel, wherever I see a Delhi police cop standing here on the Shingu border. There are multiple barricades also put. There's one traffic police team, and Delhi police personnel are also stationed at every single point. Even on the other side, if we can show on the other side of the road, there are personnel in protective gear as well, and the number has increased there, Gargi.
All right, so that is the situation there at that border, the Shunglu border there. But let's now go across to Saurabh Shukla, who's at the Delhi Gurugram border. And Saurabh, it's not just from Haryana and Punjab, but farmers are also coming in from UP, Rajasthan, we believe. What are you hearing?
Absolutely, Gargi. That is why Delhi police is all set and all ready. You can see every vehicle is being checked at Delhi border. This on my right, this is Gurugram, and now where I'm standing, it is Delhi, and you can see police personnel are checking every vehicle. They are taking note of every taxi number car which is entering Delhi, and you can see on my left there is a right control vehicle right there, which is called Vajra. And apart from that, apart from Delhi police personnel, there are CRPF is also there along with Delhi police officials, and you can see the crane as well. So just in case if farmers come and they try and block the road, so they can remove their vehicles and their tractors from the road. You can see the deployment right here, and you can see that tear gas gun as well, right in the hand of a Delhi police personnel. So they are all ready along with CRPF personnel. They have clear instructions from their seniors not to allow any farmer entering, and you can see they have just stopped the car right here, and they are asking them to come out. They are checking every car which is entering Delhi right now, and they have been doing this since since early morning today at 4 p.m. I've been told by a police officer here that they are here. They were here at 3:30, and they are checking every vehicle. So right there you can see heavy deployment. Metro services are suspended from Gurugram, Ghaziabad and Noida till 2 p.m. So administration is all set, but they are trying to stop these farmers in Haryana, so they cannot reach to this point. But they are ready. If they come, then they will stop them. In Gurugram, there are few farmer outfit which will try and cross Delhi border around 2:30. They are ready for that. But as of now, traffic is smooth. They are checking vehicles, but they are allowing entry in the Delhi. They are saying they are all set. If they have to stop them, they will stop every car. They will restrict movement for few minutes, few hours as well. But as of now, situation is under control, and Delhi police has taken charge at Delhi-Gurugram border. Gargi.
All right, well, let's go back to Ghazali at the Shambu border. He's been traveling with the farmers since yesterday. And Ghazali, anger among the farmers with the way the Haryana authorities used the water cannon since yesterday. We are seeing those visuals. We're also seeing visuals of people crossing the river. It looks very, very dangerous given the kind of blockades that have been put in. If you tell us more about this farmer anger and how the farmers all organized from various states to converge in Delhi and protest against the farm laws.
So basically, farmers have now started gathering here, and the Haryana farmers who marched yesterday, there were some farmers from Punjab as well. They have reached Karnal district yesterday, and they have started marching. They are attempting to get through Panipat district, then Sonipat, and then New Delhi. Their movement has still been sort of stopped by the district administration here. But what is expected in Punjab is that lakhs of farmers, we are very sure, because from every district, women, children, men, young and old, they have all been preparing it for the last 2 weeks. Heavy mobilization was done in villages. Announcements were made from Gurdwaras to collect ration for at least 10 days, 12 days, because they want to go to Delhi and do a sit-in protest. Here also, what I was suggesting is that these barricades, the farmers say that they will remove it by using JCB machines or some other machines. But they are coordinating with their counterparts in Haryana and Rajasthan as well, because throughout this protest against the farm laws, farmers from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and even leaders from UP, they have held multiple level of meetings here in Punjab, in Chandigarh, and accordingly this protest march was planned. So they are still in touch. The prominent leaders of these farm unions have already reached Delhi because they knew that such situation will develop on 26th when police will try to stop them. And that is why they are in Delhi. They will negotiate or they will address the media there as well if situation worsens here.
All right, so massive gathering, as you can see there, of the police as well. And let's go back to Arun, who joins us from the Shingu border. Arun, and massive police presence over there.
Yes, this is the other side of the road, and look at the number of police personnel. There's a water cannon vehicle here as well, multiple barricades, and as I was saying, from the other part of the road, wherever you see, you would see one cop, but on this side, heavy deployment, and there are police personnel with their protective gear as well. They're wearing helmets and their body shields as well. On this side, multiple vehicles. There's one riot control vehicle. There's one water cannon vehicle as well. Now, a senior official has called all these cops for some briefing. That is why this particular team has gone back for the briefing. But if you see here, they are every single personnel is wearing protective gear. We are coming to you from Shingu border, through which you enter Haryana, or let's say Sonipat. I'm not very far away from Sonipat, but that's the entry point. The area is called Kundli, and Shingu border is where you enter Haryana from. Now, because of this barricading and heavy police deployment, there is huge traffic jam as well in Delhi. So once you cross Delhi, then the road is still smooth, but this is definitely going to impact the traffic. But this, now again, there is a fire engine as well, and multiple police personnel. Gargi.